Please subscribe to Mr. Tech YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos. Hey guys, I'm here for Mr. Tech. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to know your Wi-Fi password using command promote in your Windows 10 PC. Yeah friends, in this video we will learn this guys. For this, follow my easy and simple step. Actually this video I'm making for my subscriber. So press Windows key and type CMD and right click on this and click on run as administrator, and here guys you want to type NTSH and space WLN space show space profile. So after profile, type your Wi-Fi network name. For example, my Wi-Fi network name is net. So after typing your Wi-Fi network name, type key is equals to clear like this. After then hit enter. So wait for few seconds, and here you can see key content. This is your Wi-Fi password. In front of key content you can see. So that's it guys, very simple, nothing more to show you in this video. This is very easy and simple step to know your Wi-Fi password in your Windows 10 PC or in your Windows 10 laptop. So that's it for today guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Till you have not subscribed Mr. Tech, so please guys subscribe Mr. Tech for daily amazing and interesting videos. If you have any doubt related to this video, you can clear your doubts in the comment section below.